Hi everybody, today we are going to be getting a store tour of the Sears at the Tuttle Crossing Mall in Dublin, Ohio. Let's get started. So this Sears store here at Tuttle Crossing Mall, it opened when South Park malls did in 1996. It just closed back on March 10th of 2019. Now this video was shot on its last 8 days. This was shot on March 2nd, right as the store was closing for the night. Because I rushed over here from Polaris Mall to get this place, because Polaris Malls, well, I failed there because they downsized and I wanted to get a 2-floor experience at a Sears one last time. So, anyways, there were employees in some places, but not everywhere. So, yeah. This was very sad, though, and a crazy sight to see, in fact. Now, I didn't have time to get down on the escalators, so I took the elevator. As you can see here, I was walking towards it. Now, as you can see, the bed department and then this department, there were the Christmas trees and all kinds of stuff here. So, yeah. Anyways, here's a better elevator.
Oh yeah, this looks exactly like the one in Dublin Village. That's 2500. There's your phone, 88. See a cavity all the way down. This is exactly like the one in Dublin Village. It's a nice elevator. Here's your MT fixtures. Go back to 2. We're gonna end down here at 1. Here's the elevator sign. Door closes at work. And back down here. Let's hear the motor. Fans on, but it's like a really quiet fan, which is nice.
And now we're back on the first floor. That was also what the store looked like back in May. As you can see here where the shoe department was, things are everywhere. All the shelving and everything was pretty crazy. Now, this was a Saturday night, but it was right as the mall was closing, so not many people were in the mall, but there was still a good bit of people inside of this mall. Now, it was really crazy to see the store like this, not gonna lie. Because when I saw it back in May 27th of 2018, my first time here, this was only my second visit at the store. So, yeah. But it was really different than what I remembered. So, I was shocked to see the store like this because the store was just closing. But when you head back here, this was just the entire line of fixtures that they were selling. Like, they were selling so many fixtures back here that it was just crazy. You would not have expected this to be here like this. This is something that even I wouldn't expect to see. Because you never see this many fixtures inside the back of a store like this, just hidden back here. So, yeah. It was really crazy to see this because you never knew this, but this store was exactly pretty much like South Park's. It was very similar to South Park, so this gave me a good memory of South Park malls. So I was happy for that. But yeah, just seeing the store like this was really crazy, and just giving me a good memory of South Park's. Just seeing the store all together. Even the outside looks like what South Park's did. But anyways, guys, my next store tours will be Dillard's at Southern Park Mall and JCPenney at Midway Mall. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We're almost at 400 subscribers. Don't forget to leave a like on the video. share this video with people you think would like to see this, and also leave a comment below suggesting content. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.